Now we are going to test the transmitter and receiver that we've built in the previous video. The voltage is low when the transmitter is off. When it's turned on, the voltage goes up to above 700 millivolts. Generally, the voltage is lower when the transmitter is further away from receiver, but there are spots with lower intensity due to interference effect between transmitter and receiver antenna. Let's try different orientation of transmitter antenna. With this spring type antenna, the orientation doesn't seem to change the intensity that much. I'll scan the space around the receiver with antenna transmitter in perpendicular orientation. We can see there's some spot where the signal reception is lower than its surrounding. Let's repeat the scan with antenna transmitter in parallel orientation to the receiver. We can also see there's some spots where the signal reception is lower than its surrounding. It's similar to observed interference in my previous experiments with microwave. Let's see if the voltage reading has significant drift after prolonged use. When the transmitter is switched off, the voltage reading shows a low value close to 0. Thus, the drift is not significant. Next thing I want to try is to block the transmission using a metal plate. It's the same aluminum plate I used in microwave experiments. It looks like the aluminum plate only reduces the transmission intensity slightly, but when the antenna is touching the plate, the intensity drops significantly. Let's see if the transmitter antenna is touched by finger. The signal is reduced noticeably. When the receiver antenna is touched, the signal is reduced even further.